Hello friends, welcome back. This is Parthiban and in this video I'm going to explain you how I made 24k profit in just 2 days. And I hope this video will help you a lot because I explained how I take the entry and how I made money and how I interpreted the candlesticks information from the stocks. Okay, that is more important. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed and like my video so that I will be motivated a lot. All right. The stock name is Sri Cement India Limited, and based on the triangle pattern, I took this trade and made money. Let me draw the pattern first. Okay. At the top, we have this trend line. All right, it's a beautiful triangle pattern, guys. We have one, two, three, four, five rejection at the bottom, and we have one, two, three, four rejection at the top. So seems it's a pretty good triangle pattern. But before we taking the entry, we need to interpret the candlesticks information. Okay, so let me explain you how I interpreted the candlesticks information from this stock. And look at this movement, guys. Look at this beautiful movement. The stock move like anything from this bottom, right? And look at this candle close. It's pretty strong, right? Uh, it tells me that buyers are more compared to sellers. Buyers dominated the sellers. And again, a small consolidation here, and then stock move like anything. Again, buyers dominated the sellers over here. After that, there is a consolidation. And now, what I could see that whenever there is a red candles, uh, those red candles are not good as green candles, which means that there is a lot of buyers compared to sellers. And compare here, there is a lot of buyers. It seems there is a sellers, but look at this momentum. Okay, this momentum. The candles are very, very small compared to these green candles. And again, look at this beauty. Stock slowly started to move up again once it touched the support and it reached the resistance level. And after that, look at these red candles. Those are very small candles compared to these green candles. And look at this area here, we could see lot of indecision candles. Here we have Toji, we have spinning top, hanging man patterns, right? So these are indecision candles. We are not able to take, we are unable to take any decision over here whether the stock will move upside or downside. But after this breakout, you could see that or you could say that definitely it's a breakout and the buyers are have full control on this stock. Buyers completely dominated the sellers. So exactly I exactly enter here and I close my trade here. Because why I close my trade here? Because the market condition, we are not sure whether it's moved down or we don't know, right? So after seeing this small reversal candle, I just closed. I thought that it may come down and then go up, but I don't want to wait until the point. So what are the profit until this point? I just booked the profit and I happily came out this stock. That's enough for me, right? Just 2 days, 24k profit, and I entered with capital of 2 to 2.5 lakhs, 5 lakhs in futures trade. That's why I made 24k in just 2 days. And this is what I share with you today. Hope this video and the information helps you a lot. And have a good day. Be safe, guys. Thank you so much.